Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, present is the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, UK Sinha Dipali Goenka, independent directors at NDTV. Next, Reliance Cap second e-auction slated for April 4. Next, borrowers must be heard before fraud tax says Supreme Court. Next, time for policy relook Kotak. Next, Aditya Birla Capital sales insurance broking arm. Next, PF interest rate EPFO board decision today. Next, Rahul Gandhi asked to vacate Bangalore. Next, Oyo plan to cut IPO size by two-thirds. Next, cause losses traction on active user count. On page number 4 in economy section that for pension panel a red line turning clock back on reform. Next, steps to arrest dip in key edible oil prices soon. Next, EPFO decision on interest rate today. Next, RBI FinMin meet on H1 borrowing calendar put off. Next, SJVN gets rupees 915 crore finance from JBIC. Next, for sale projects worth rupees 2338 crore face delays. On page number 6 in companies section that OYO expects more than rupees 5700 crore revenue in FY23. Next, VI stares at a bleak future due to high competition. Next, Adani acquires 49% of Quintillion for rupees 48 crore. Next, Sun to power 50,000 E2 watt of Zomato's fleet. Next, electric three-wheeler may gain traction, ICRA. Next, Delhi, Moscow, Aeroflot to have 7 flights in a week. Next, AI Express launches Goa Dubai direct flight. Next, after mobiles, hardware on government Make in India radar. Next, telcos directed to quickly roll out measures to curb pesky calls. Next, BMC on road to beat its 2022 sales record, launch 19 cars. Next, Mama parent still in talks for IPO. Next, expecting a double-digit growth in volumes in FY24. On page number 7 in company section of that, Jio steps up fight in fixed broadband. Next, Manipal to buy AMRI hospitals for rupees 2400 crore, approvals under process. Next, TVS Motor plans to strengthen global footprint. Next, first tranche of drone PLI allocation soon official. On page number 8 in opinion section of that plain truths. Next, China gains from US banking crisis. Next, regulation cannot prevent the next financial crisis. Next, decarbonizing India. On page number 9 in investor section of that United Spirits margin pressure in near term. Next, Indigo may face headwinds. Next, manageable impact on NBFC. Next, cricket becomes the new canvas for digital art. Next, CTO now have a problem boot attacks. Next, on page number 10 in international section of that huge strike brings Germany to a standstill. Next, Japan lawmakers eye ban on TikTok others. Next, Yosef wins race to be Scotland's next leader. Next, first citizen set to acquire SVB post biggest failure since 2008. Next, Ma returns to China as government tries to ally private sector fears. Next, Israel government in Chaos has judicial reforms plans draw mass protest. Next, Bedu reveals more capabilities of AI-powered chatbot Irani. Next, Tesla faces new race-based trial from workers who had $137 million verdict cut. Next, Apple CEO Cook meets Chinese commerce chief. Next, another Pakistan court protects ex-PM Imran Khan from arrest. On page number 11 in market section of that, L&T Finance to issue multiple tenure bonds. Next, mutual fund create higher money multipliers in the economy. Next, rupee gains 9 paisa against US dollar. Next, IIFL Finance to reissue December 2032 bonds. Next, Cap Vision Investments registration cancelled. Next, Sundaram Home Finance to issue CPs. Next, tax on high value policies may have its impact on long term saving pattern. Next, banks credit likely to grow 12 to 13% FY24 SBI report. Next, HDFC board clears rising rupees 57,000 crore. Next, banks to gain rupees 4 trillion in deposit as funds get taxed. Next, stocks of all 10 Adani group firms and lower. That much for on page number 18 in market section is that PSB told to monitor top loan accounts. Next, NDTV on board UK Sinha, Dipali Goenka has additional directors. Next, Coffee Day, SEBI slaps rupees 1 crore fine on Mysore amalgamated coffee. Next, Sensex snaps losing streak rises 126 point. On page number 19 in economy section that S&P retains India growth forecast at 6% in FY24. Next, FCI stops wheat sale under OMSS for now. Next, lack of CCI quorum impedes GST anti-profiteering drive. Next, Parliament passes finance bill. Next, government to set up committee to monitor tur dal stocks. On page number 21 in nation section that record heat waves push India closer to limit of human survival. Next, extreme hot weather predicted. Next, Air India Express launches Goa Dubai direct flight. On page number 22 in back page section that WPL not a patch of IPL still impressive. Next, interested in improving rupee trades with G20 countries says Commerce Secretary. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.